Next up, deal of the century for Banshee. In this, we need to locate evidence and report back to Banshee with it. This is a relatively simple mission. What you want to do is kit up and head all the way across to Fort Norreath on the far southwest corner of the map. In here, we'll be heading into the headquarters building, which is the southmost building here, and we'll be entering it from the northeast side through all of this over here. There'll be thousands of AI, relatively heavily armored, but essentially, when you get into this building over here, head in, and we'll be navigating up to the second floor. Now, just keep in mind that there will be bots on the bottom floor pushing in, and of course, there's a couple of bots usually on the very top floor. When you get in here, head to your left of the staircase in here, and you should find Office 22. Opening up this door here and heading in. On the desk over here, you'll find the jet fighter deal on the far left side of the desk, or if you're looking this way, the close right side. Simply pick this up and head back to base, where you can hand in the jet fighter deal and get the quest complete for Banshee. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.